Understanding circadian rhythms.
Your body follows a natural internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. This 24-hour cycle regulates sleep, wakefulness, hormone release, and many aspects of health. When this rhythm is in sync with the environment, you feel alert in the day and sleepy at night. Disruptions to this clock can affect sleep quality, mood, digestion, and even your immune system.
How shift work impacts your sleep.
Working night shifts or changing your work hours frequently can throw your circadian rhythm off balance. Artificial light at night and irregular sleep times confuse your body's clock, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, trouble concentrating, and increased risk of health issues like heart disease.
The challenge of jet lag.
Crossing time zones rapidly, as during long-distance travel, causes jet lag. Your internal clock stays tied to your original time zone, making it hard to sleep or stay alert in your new location. Jet lag can result in insomnia, grogginess, stomach issues, and irritability until your body adjusts to the new schedule.
Healthy habits to restore your rhythm.
You can help rebalance your circadian rhythm by keeping a regular sleep schedule, even on days off. Expose yourself to bright, natural light in the morning and avoid screens in the hour before bed. Try to eat at regular times and avoid heavy meals late at night. Mindful routines signal your body when to be alert or to wind down.
Tips for shift workers and travelers.
If you work nights, consider blackout curtains and earplugs to improve daytime sleep. Gradually adjust your schedule before big trips, moving sleep and meal times closer to your destination. Stay hydrated, avoid caffeine late in your shift or flight, and use brief naps to boost alertness when needed. Small changes add up in helping your body adapt.